Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from September the 3rd through September the 9th. And what I'm going to be doing this week, I didn't make my own stickers this week. I decided to do some Dollar Tree stickers that just talk about coffee and hearts. I just thought it looked really happy and upbeat. And I decided to use this paper with it. I think it'll go very nicely together. And then I'm just going to use this Dollar Tree washi and a Papermate pen that I found at the Dollar Tree quite a while ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so happy that everyone loved the Rare Breed. I really enjoyed doing that one. Okay, I think for my dominant paper, I want this one. And I used this paper once before, but I really do like it. I think it's really cute. And then I think this paper will go very nicely with it. Sorry about my lighting, but I'm having to use some artificial light because that Tropical Storm Gordon is out in the Gulf and it's raining, so I had to get some artificial lighting. Okay, let's put our paper down how we think we want it. But I think this is just going to be bright and cheerful. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. Pretty sure I bought this paper. I don't remember. I've had them both for a while. I think I got them at Michael's. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. Okay, I think that looks really, really cute. So let's put down our washi. Oh, that's nice. I wanted something that just looked different. And I think I'm definitely achieving that with this washi and this paper. I do like that. That is really cute. Okay, now I'll open up my stickers, but you really can find a lot of really cute stickers at the Dollar Tree. I found these quite a while ago, and I finally decided that I wanted to use them. And it doesn't bother me that they're dimensional. I like that, but if you didn't like that, you could always tone them down just a little bit. But I think they're really cute. And you don't have to use them all if you don't want. I just think these are really cute. And I may just put one other sticker. I don't know. I may put one other one right here and just leave this one and not put it, well, I don't know, let me look. I think I'll put it right there. I think that is really cute. Now let me write a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at it. But I really think it's cute. If you don't make your own stickers, you can always just go to the Dollar Tree and pick up stickers and washi, and it allows you to make a really cute planner, and you don't have much money in it at all if you don't want to make your own stickers like I do most of the time. But here's the finished spread. I think it is adorable. I really like these stickers from Dollar Tree. I love my paper, and I really like this washi. I like the combination. It just looks really happy. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.